Hello everyone, welcome to Excel with Isaac series, and in today's video, I'll be showing you a faster and simpler way you can use to duplicate your sheets. Now before we can get into it, I need to show you the general way, which is the way most people use to duplicate their sheets. And then I'll show you the way in which I use to duplicate my sheets faster and simpler. So let's get right into it. Now imagine you built this template that you need to update with February figures. One of the best things that duplicating sheets offers you is that you can keep your original styling, you duplicate the sheet, and then you just update the values. So how do we duplicate sheets using the general way? The first thing you need to do is to select the sheets that you want to duplicate, and then you right-click on the sheet. Now, once you do that, Excel gives you a pop-up, and then you click on Move or Copy. And then once you click that, Excel gives you another pop-up which shows you the workbook you are working in and the sheets that you have in your workbook. So what you do is you come down to select create a copy, and you can decide where you want to create the copy. If I select February data, the copy will be created between January and February. If I select move to end, the copy will be moved to the end. And if I select January sales, the copy will be created between the overview and January sales. So for this duplicate, let's select February data, meaning the copy will be created between January and February. Once you're okay with your selection, you click on OK. And as you can see, Excel has made a duplicate of the sheet between January sales and the February data. So now let's delete this sheet. And the way to delete the sheet is to right click, you come to delete, and then when the pop-up comes, you hit on delete, and we've deleted the sheet. So let's go back to our January sales template sheet. Now, if I want to duplicate the sheet quicker, all I do is I left click and hold, and then I drag out. Now, once I do, you can see that the pointer icon is showing that I'm holding a sheet. And if I want to make a duplicate of the sheet, I press the control button. And once I do that, you see a plus symbol on the sheet. Now, once I see the plus symbol on the sheet, I keep my hand on control, and then I release the mouse click. And once I do that, the sheet has been duplicated. If I want to duplicate multiple sheets, all I do is I click on the first sheet, and with my hand on control, I click on the second sheet, my hand on control, I click on the third sheet. Now, the way you drag is you have to drag the sheet that has the underline, the green underline underneath it. If I try dragging the sheets without the green underline, it doesn't work. I need to drag from the sheet that has the green underline. Now, once I do that, you see that the pointer is showing that I'm holding multiple sheets. And if I want to make a duplicate of these sheets, I just need to keep my hand on control. And then when I see the plus symbol, I release the mouse. And with that, I've been able to duplicate multiple sheets. So I recommend this method for you if you are trying to duplicate sheets. Just practice it, and with time, you realize that it's much more quicker and simpler. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe as always. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, and anyone that you think this Excel knowledge will help. And with that, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.